Welcome to Daco Rio Studio, your go-to for budget-friendly home design inspiration. Today, we're sharing 14 genius ideas to make your home look expensive without any renovations. These clever tricks, from statement art to luxe curtains and metallic accents, will transform your space into a high-end haven without breaking the bank. Perfect for any room, these ideas focus on simple swaps and styling to achieve a polished, luxurious vibe. Get ready to elevate your home's style effortlessly. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite tips in the comments below. Idea number 1. Statement art focal point. Elevate your living room with a large, bold piece of art as the centerpiece. Choose an oversized abstract painting with gold or neutral tones and hang it above a sofa or console table. Pair it with a sleek mirror or metallic accents to amplify sophistication. The artwork draws the eye, making the space feel curated and luxurious without altering walls or floors. Keep surrounding decor minimal. Think clean lines, a plush rug, and a few ceramic vases. The room feels expansive, polished, and gallery-like, exuding wealth without costly renovations. Idea number 2. Luxe curtain upgrade. Swap out basic curtains for floor-to-ceiling drapes in rich fabrics like linen or velvet. Choose neutral shades like ivory or charcoal for timeless elegance. Install curtain rods high and wide to make windows appear larger, enhancing the room's grandeur. The soft, flowing fabric adds warmth and sophistication, transforming a standard room into a high-end retreat. Pair with simple tiebacks or metallic rods for extra polish. The space feels taller, cozier, and effortlessly expensive, proving a small change can create a dramatic, upscale effect without structural work. Idea number 3. Metallic accent magic. Introduce brass or gold accents to instantly elevate any space. Swap out drawer pulls, light fixtures, or table legs for metallic finishes. Add a gold-trimmed mirror or a set of brass candle holders on a coffee table. These touches catch light, adding glamour without overwhelming. Keep the palette neutral, think beige or white, to let metals shine. The room feels refined and cohesive, like a designer's touch was added. This affordable swap creates a luxurious, high-end vibe, making your home feel curated and expensive without requiring any renovations. Idea number 4. Plush throw layering. Add layers of plush throws and cushions to sofas or beds for instant luxury. Choose textures like faux fur, wool, or cashmere in muted tones like cream or taupe. Drape a throw artfully over a chair or fold it at the bed's foot. Mix cushion sizes and fabrics for depth. This tactile richness makes the space feel cozy yet upscale, like a boutique hotel. The room instantly feels inviting and expensive, with no need for structural changes, just a few well-chosen textiles to elevate the entire aesthetic. Idea number 5. Sculptural lighting glow. Replace dated light fixtures with sculptural statement pieces like a modern chandelier or geometric pendant. Opt for matte black or brass finishes to add elegance. Position it over a dining table or in an entryway to create a focal point. The light casts a warm glow, highlighting nearby decor like a vase or artwork. This simple swap makes the space feel designed and luxurious, with clean lines and bold shapes elevating the room's aesthetic. No rewiring or renovations needed, just a striking fixture to transform the ambience. Idea number 6. Gallery wall sophistication. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed art, mirrors, and photos in cohesive frames. Think black, gold, or wood. Arrange them asymmetrically for a curated look on a blank wall. This draws attention, making the space feel intentional and high-end. Keep frames varied in size but unified in style for balance. The room feels polished and artistic, like a custom-designed interior. This budget-friendly trick adds character and luxury without altering the home's structure, instantly upgrading any living room or hallway. Idea number 7. High-end hardware swap. Upgrade cabinet and door hardware to sleek, modern designs in brass, matte black, or nickel. Replace old knobs and pulls in kitchens or bathrooms with streamlined versions. This small change makes cabinets look custom and expensive. Pair with a minimalist countertop display, like a marble tray or ceramic jar, to enhance the effect. The space feels fresh, cohesive, and luxurious, as if professionally designed. This quick fix transforms utilitarian areas into high-end showpieces without the cost or hassle of a full renovation, proving details matter. Idea number 8. Faux marble surfaces. Use adhesive marble contact paper to transform tabletops, shelves, or countertops. Apply it to a coffee table or bathroom vanity for a high-end look. The glossy, veined finish mimics real marble, adding instant luxury. Pair with metallic accents like a gold vase or brass lamp to enhance the opulence. The space feels sleek and sophisticated, with no need for costly stone replacements. This DIY trick is removable and affordable, making your home look like it belongs in a design magazine without permanent changes or renovations. Idea number 9. Strategic mirror placement. Place large, decorative mirrors to reflect light and make rooms feel bigger and brighter. A floor-length mirror with a gold or black frame in a bedroom or entryway adds elegance. Position it opposite a window or light source to maximize impact. The reflection creates depth, making the space feel expansive and luxurious. Add a small console table with a vase for balance. This simple addition transforms any room into a glamorous, high-end space without structural changes, proving mirrors are a budget-friendly way to elevate decor. Idea number 10. Textured wall panels. Install peel and stick wall panels in geometric or shiplap patterns to create an accent wall. Choose white or gray for a clean, modern look. Apply to a living room or bedroom wall for instant sophistication. Pair with minimal decor like a sleek lamp or framed art to keep the focus on the texture. The panels add depth and a custom feel, making the space look expensive without permanent changes. The room feels modern and polished, as if designed by a professional, all with a simple, removable upgrade. Idea number 11. Statement rug impact. Lay down a large patterned rug in neutral or bold tones to anchor a room. Choose a Moroccan or Persian-style rug for timeless luxury. Place it under a coffee table or bed to define the space. The intricate design and soft texture make the room feel warm and high-end. Pair with simple furniture to let the rug shine. This single addition transforms a plain room into a sophisticated retreat, proving a well-chosen rug can elevate the entire aesthetic without costly renovations or structural changes. Idea number 12. Curated bookshelf styling. Style a bookshelf with a mix of books, vases, and sculptural objects for a high-end look. Arrange items asymmetrically using neutral or metallic tones. Add a small plant or candle for warmth. Remove clutter to keep it clean and intentional. The curated display makes the room feel like a designer's showroom, with each item carefully chosen. This budget-friendly trick adds sophistication and personality, transforming a standard shelf into a luxurious focal point without any renovations, proving styling can make a huge impact on a room's aesthetic. Idea number 13. Faux greenery elegance. Incorporate high-quality faux plants or greenery to add life and luxury. Place a large faux fiddle leaf fig in a ceramic pot in a corner or scatter smaller plants on shelves. The lush greenery softens the space, making it feel fresh and upscale. Pair with neutral decor to keep it sophisticated. These maintenance-free plants create a vibrant, expensive-looking atmosphere without altering the home's structure. The room feels inviting and polished, like a high-end interior, proving greenery can transform any space affordably. Idea number 14. Tray styling sophistication. Use a decorative tray to style surfaces like coffee tables or ottomans. Choose a marble or brass tray and arrange candles, a small vase, and a sculptural object on it. The curated grouping adds a polished, intentional look, making the space feel luxurious. Keep the surrounding decor minimal to highlight the tray. This simple styling trick creates a high-end vibe, like a designer's touch, without any renovations. The room feels cohesive and elegant, proving small, thoughtful details can elevate the entire aesthetic affordably. That's all the ideas for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas like this.